On our way to Henry Resort in Laiya, Batangas.
Medyo mahaba-haba ang biyahe, around 3 hours. So nililibang lang namin sarili namin habang nasa daan.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me
Hi,
and
friends.
you.
Welcome to our
Sandy
vlog.
beach,
Alam naming malapit na kami when we started seeing the other resorts like Blue Coral, Sabangan, and Aquatico.
dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't
A few blocks later, nandyan na yung Aqua Verde Resort, and right beside it, Henry Resort na.
party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine,
Pagkaliwa mo, kita mo agad yung entrance.
just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet.
Apartment 1B is the name of their restaurant. And yes, may branches din sila sa Manila. Pagpasok pa lang sa entrance, makikita mo na agad yung reception area. They have parking spaces both in front and on the side. Papalitan ko mamaya. Right after the reception, may isa pang parking area.
Party
Pagpasok namin sa reception, we went straight to confirm our booking.
shine, feel the glow. Summer
I really love the design of their logo. Simple but classy, and it's placed just below the reception desk.
Meron din silang welcome drinks, which is always a nice touch.
so sweet. Summer days can't be.
Kapag nasa reception area ka, eto yung front parking pagpasok mo sa main gate nila.
Feel
And side parking. I think kasha around 4 or more cars.
we're feeling
They also sell shirts and souvenirs.
by the sea. Hey, dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm.
Plus may mga board games and books na pwede mong hiramin.
Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Ito yung room ng parents ko sa ground floor. Since seniors na sila, mas okay dito para di nang umakyat ng stairs. Medyo maliit, pero cozy.
Queen size yung bed, and take note, wala silang TV or ref sa room.
My mom even noticed na yung slippers nila, hindi yung typical na manipis. This one's goma with the cool design. May hair dryer, safety deposit box, coffee, and bottled water. Aircon is window type, but may internet inside the room. The toilet is spacious, complete with toothbrush, soap, and shampoo. One big advantage ng ground floor, easy access to amenities. A few steps away lang, swimming pool na agad. The pool isn't that big, but for a boutique hotel like this, sakto lang. Siguro pag peak season, medyo crowded, pero okay lang. Yung jacuzzi-looking area isn't heated. It's still part of the pool with jets lang for bubbles. Nice spot if gusto mo lang mag-relax at magkwentuhan. The whole resort has 2 floors for guests, and the 3rd floor is for the owner.
These are all the rooms in the resort. I think sakto lang yung number of rooms for the size of the place.
Now, here's their restaurant, Apartment 1B, where breakfast is also served. Ang ganda ng view kasi it's between the pool and the beach.
Note lang, they don't have an air-conditioned restaurant. Everything is al fresco. So better bring your fan, especially if you're dining here during summer. This is the view from their alfresco dining area. You can see the beach right from where you're seated. They have small kubos or nipa huts by the shore. But personally, I'd prefer beach chairs with umbrellas. It's cozier to sit by the beach, people watch, or enjoy a cocktail or snack while taking in the view. This area can still be improved a bit, but overall, it's already relaxing.
Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand
Next, this is our room sa second floor.
can't be beat.
This is definitely bigger as well compared to the one downstairs, sa room ng parents ko. It's a queen-size bed and there's still plenty of space around it. Hindi siya cramped.
Palm tree swaying, breeze so light.
Yung aircon naman dito is a modern split type, unlike the window type sa baba.
Feel the sunshine, feel the glow.
If going up one floor isn't an issue for you, I'd really suggest requesting this room.
In the summer heat, feel the
You can also open the curtains and enjoy a nice view of the pool.
sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't
I also like how they covered the ceiling light with wood para di masakit sa mata when lying down.
feel.
They also provide complimentary bottled water and coffee. And yes, still no TV or ref.
Dance on
As you can see, even the restroom here is much bigger and feels more spacious.
summer heat.
Complete with toiletries and hot and cold shower.
Sun and sand is so sweet.
I'm not sure if all second floor rooms are the same, but ours is definitely bigger than my parents and at the same rate. Right outside our room is the second floor lounging area with a beautiful mural, perfect for photo ops.
Around 5 p.m., we decided to chill by the beach.
Dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet.
The sand isn't pure white, more of light beige. The shoreline is long and wide, and since konti lang tao, it feels peaceful and relaxing.
During sunset, we just had to enjoy the beach. Ang ganda kasi nung view. Beach swimming is only until 6 p.m. since wala na daw lifeguard after that. Kaya we just enjoyed the moment. Lakad-lakad lang by the shore.
My parents really enjoyed it here.
And of course, di mawawala ang picture taking.
After sunset, sobrang ganda. The sky turns deep blue.
So blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky.
This is the entrance going back to the hotel if you're coming from the beach.
Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
And here's how it looks like at night. And cozy.
Breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer
Dinner time. We ordered chicken kare-kare,
days can't be beat.
lumpiang Shanghai, pinaputok na pampano, and pansit guisado. Here's their menu. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot. Oh, and may mga pusa rin dito. Cat lovers, rejoice!
Party all day, dance.
We were celebrating my wife's and dad's birthday, and they surprised us with a free cake.
Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Let the music take control.
After dinner, time to rest. Here's the night view of the pool. Very calm and relaxing.
Dance with me by the sea. summer heat, feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand,
Next morning, breakfast time.
summer day.
This is the second floor lounge area again, just outside our room.
It's a nice spot to work too if you're working remotely. Tip lang, bring mosquito repellent. Medyo malamog sa gabi. We took a short walk by the beach before breakfast. The sun was up around 8 a.m. and the water was crystal clear. The sand is light beige, not super fine, but definitely one of the nicest in Batangas.
Dance, dance in the summer heat, feel the rhythm.
The waves were calm and the sky was perfectly blue.
And it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Heading back to the restaurant, you'll pass through the nipa huts.
Again, if they could replace these nipa huts with beach beds or lounge chairs with umbrellas, it would feel so much cozier and more premium.
Apartment 1B is al fresco. No air conditioning, so better bring a fan if needed. Pero the ambiance is great. Pool on one side, beach on the other. Breakfast is included in the stay, and servings are generous.
We had chicken tocino,
Beach
Boneless bangus
high, summer love lives
and beef tapa. Sulit kahit plated.
in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand,
After breakfast, off to the beach again. Around 10 a.m. on a Friday, still few people. Perfect timing.
breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance.
The water was so clear. Kita mo yung buhangin sa ilalim and even small fish swimming around.
Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Hawakan niya.
My parents love underwater shots, of course.
So light, party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine.
After that, swimming naman sa pool.
Summer
so we had to wash off the sand from our shoes and feet first before heading to the pool.
in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer day,
Now checking the depth of the pool. Pool depth is around 4 feet all throughout. Safe for everyone.
magic in your soul.
It can probably fit 10 to 12 people comfortably. Good thing konti pa lang tao when we were there. The area is shaded by trees, so di masyadong mainit kahit tanghali. The water's cool, but not too cold. Just right.
Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be.
My dad at 80 years old, still swimming like he's 50. Here's my take on Henry Resort after our stay. Check-in is at 3 p.m. I hope they adjust to 2 p.m. like most resorts. I wish they'd replace the nipa huts with lounge chairs in the beachfront. Staff are very accommodating and always smiling. The pool's small, but perfect for a boutique stay. Senior discounts and pet-friendly policy are a big plus. Internet is fast and reliable, even inside the rooms. Food prices are reasonable, servings are generous. Overall, Henry Resort is one of the simplest yet most relaxing boutique resorts I've been to. If you want peace, a nice beach, and a place to just unwind, this is the spot. And that's it for our one-night stay at Henry Resort. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this vlog.